me tell you something. Today, we will talk about the molecules of life. We have four most common elements, which is the carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and the nitrogen, that we can call Tron.
Una ay carbon, na tinatawag din nating main building block. Bakit? Carbon has 4 bonding site, kaya sobrang versatile niya. Dahil doon, kaya niyang bumuo ng straight chains, branch chains at rings, mga structure na pwedeng maging basic frame ng maraming biomolecules. Halimbawa, sa carbohydrate like glucose, carbon atoms from skeleton that store short-term energy. Sa lipids naman, long carbon chains store long-term energy and form the hydrophobic tails of cell membrane. And proteins and DNA, carbon shapes the backbone of amino acid and nucleotide sugars. So isipin mo, carbon as the scaffold ng lahat ng major molecules. Kung walang carbon, of course, walang complex chemistry for life. Sumunod is hydrogen. Hydrogen is small pero napaka-critical. Bakit? Most hydrogen atoms in our body are in water or organic molecules. Water as in yung H2O. Ang pinaka-importanting medium sa cell. Dahil sa hydrogen bonds, nagkakaroon ng polarity ang water. One side slightly positive and the other slightly negative. Dahil dito, ang water dissolve many substances. Nag-aalaw ng transport ng nutrients at tumutulong kontrolin ng body temperature through sweating and evaporation. Sa proteins at DNA, hydrogen bonds din ang nagpapastabilize sa secondary structure like alpha, helices at beta sheets. So kahit maliit, hydrogen determines how molecules interact and fold. Malaking bagay yon sa function nila. Ang sumunod is oxygen. Oxygen naman ang key player sa energy production. During cellular respiration, oxygen accepts electrons at the end of the electron transport chains in mitochondria. So ang resulta, production of ATP, yung energy natin. Yung main energy currency ng cell. Kapag may sapat na oxygen, we get efficient ATP production from glucose. Kapag kulang naman, of course, ang cell is nag-shift to anaerobic pathways like lactic acid fermentation. Less efficient and may fatigue. Bukod sa respiration, oxygen is also part of water and many organic molecules and affect polarity and reactivity. So it's important sa chemical reaction ng metabolism. Finally is nitrogen. Nitrogen is crucial because it's a part of amino groups. In amino acid and nitrogenous bases in nucleic acid, amino acid, kapag pinagsama-sama, gumagawa ng proteins, structural parts like muscles, functional molecules like enzymes, and transporters like hemoglobins. Sa DNA and RNA, nitrogenous bases like adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, uracil carry genetic code. The specific pairing between bases through hydrogen bonding. Nagbibigay ito sa DNA ng double helix structure. Kaya without nitrogen, walang proteins and no genetic information encoding. Ibig sabihin, walang life as we know it. So baka nag-wonder ka kung paano sila nag-work together? Tron combined into 4 major macromolecules. Yung una is carbohydrates. CHO o yung CHO. Composed of sugar units, source of quick energy and sometimes structural support. Example, glucose gives immediate energy, glycogen stores glucose in liver and muscles. Yung sumunod is lipids, CHO, yung CHO din, long hydrocarbon chains and rings, used for long-term energy storage, insulation, and forming cell membranes. Yung cell membranes are mainly phospholipids, pero pwede din siya mag-contain ng phosphorus. But hydrophobic tails are carbohydrate rich. So ang sunod is proteins o yung CHON o yung CHON. Built in amino acids, function includes structures o yung collagen and keratin, catalyst, yung enzymes, transport, yung hemoglobin, and immune defense. which is the antibodies, and signaling yung ating hormones. Protein function depends on precise folding, which relies on interaction involving hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, and nitrogen. So yung last is nucleic acid. CHONP ay yung CHNOT. DNA and RNA store and transmit genetic information. Sugar phosphate backbone. Ito yung carbon, oxygen, and phosphorus. Plus nitrogenous bases. Create the code that tells cells how to make proteins. So, why CHON matter? Kasi nga, they form most of the molecules in our cell. Kagaya na na-explain ko kanina, kung walang CHON, walang cell. And they help us get energy from foods, build tissues, and pass on traits. And also, yung CHON is nag-help sa atin para ma-understand yung ating katawan. So to summarize, ang CHON o yung carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen are simple elements pero sila ang building blocks ng life. They form in micromolecules that store energies, build structures, and carry genetic instructions. Kung iisipin mo, life is a chemistry working together. Maliit na atoms na nagko-combine para gumawa ng komplikadong buhay. So yun lamang po. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig, and thank you. And for more informational video, follow for more.